Factor tree of 336. So 336, it can be written as 2 times 168. 2 times 168 means 336. Like as 168, it can be written as 2 times 84. 2 times 84 means 168. Now 84, it can be written as 2 times 42. 2 times 42 means 84. 42, it can be written as 2 times 21. 2 times 21 means 42. Like as 21, it can be written as 3 times 7. 3 times 7 means 21. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is these all two are the prime numbers, like as 3 and 7. So now we can write 336 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times this 3 times this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.